Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Saraswati Education of Bhadrajun. This is our class 6th subject maths and our answer number is 5.4, and today I am going to take our part D of question number 7. Actually, up to this question I have solved, up to this question all the questions of this exercise which is 5.4 I have solved in our previous video. Okay, so let's start with the part D of question number 7. Okay, and what is that? Actually, in our question number 7th part D, we are given when the sum of the measures of two angles, when the sum of measures of two angles, when the sum of measures of two angles D is when the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a okay, when the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a right angle, I'm going to repeat, when the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a right angle, okay, is that of a right angle, then each of them is each one of them is okay, and part E is what? Part E is when the sum of the measures of two angles, when the sum of measures of two angles is that of when the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a right angle, is that of a right angle, then each one of them is okay. So when the sum of measures of two angles is a straight angle, is that of a straight angle, not right, straight angle, is that of a straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be, okay. This is so what we will do is listen, I am going to just repeat both the questions. Okay, when the sum of the measures of two angles is that of a right angle, then each one of them is, okay, E part is when the sum of the measures of two angles, is that of a straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be, okay. Yes, now I am going to just solve both of the parts. So look at the board very patiently and full concentration. Okay, so when the sum of measures of two angles is that of a right angle, okay, when the sum of two angles is right angle, then both the angles are called, or the two angles are called complementary angles of each other. Okay, two angles are complementary angles of each other. Okay, and if the sum is 180, this is right angle, means 90 degree. Okay, when the sum is 90 degree, then the two angles are called complementary of each other, and if the sum is 180 degree, then both the angles are called supplementary of each other. Okay, so here what we write is complementary angles of each other, complementary angles of each other, okay. What I am going to write, complementary angles, okay, of each other is already given in our question. So what is there? Complementary angles. Okay, now our E part is what? When the sum of measures of two angles is that of a right straight angle, then, and if one of them is acute, then the other one should be. Okay, listen, actually this is our straight angle. Okay, and if two angles, this condition, this type of condition is being made over here. If this is acute, then this angle will definitely be obtuse. Okay, so the other should be obtuse. Okay, other should be obtuse. Good. What is there? Then the other should be obtuse. When the sum of measures of two angles is that of a straight angle, and if one of them is acute, then the other should be obtuse. Good. Okay, I am going to solve next question, which is question number 8. Just write down, okay, and make hurry. Okay, the two angles will be complementary of each other, and if we will not go towards the concept of complementary and supplementary, then both the angles, actually here one more case arises of this type. This is our right angle, and this line is showing this is one acute angle, then other one will also be acute. Okay, so the two angles will be, actually space is less, that is only why I am going to just rub this one. Okay, so what is there? The two angles will be what? Acute also. Acute angle. Okay, so now just write down. I am going to take our question number 8, which is 8th one is what? find the measures of the angle shown in each figure. Find the measure of the angle. Find the measure of the angle shown in each figure. Find the measure of the angle shown in each figure. First estimate, okay, in each figure. First estimate with your eyes. First estimate with your eyes. Actually, here on this board and with this video class setup, only estimation is possible. Actually, I am not saying that if you will be here, then we will measure your angle with a protractor in this book, and then it is very possible to exactly tell what measurement is the angle which is given in your book. Okay. In video classes, only estimation is possible, so I will estimate only. Okay, good. So, what is question number 8? Find the measure of the angles shown in each figure. First estimate with your eyes, and then find the first estimate with your eyes, and then find the actual measure with a protractor. Then find the actual measure with a protractor. Okay, so what is there? Listen, this is our first figure. Okay, this type of line is also there. And second one is this one. And a line is also there which is like this. Okay, this is good. Now third one is this one. First line is this one. This third one is also in this way. Okay, and fourth one is this one. Fourth one is like this. Okay, and what we are seeing over here, this is our angle. Okay, now four figures are we are given these four figures. Okay, find the measure of the angle shown in each figure. First estimate with your eyes, and then find the actual measure with the protractor. this angle is looking, this angle is looking beyond, okay, here this it is clearly, I am going to answer only what that is clearly visible. Okay, over here if I will draw a line, then this angle is of 90 degree, then this angle is definitely less than 90 degree, and approximately will be equals to what, 60. Okay, approximately 60 degree. Now this angle is just greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, and approximately of which measurement, and approx, what is this is 90, approx 120 degree. Okay, now this is also, this is greater than 60. Okay, and this is greater than 120. Greater than, so less than 90 degree, because it is clearly visible, less than 90 degree, and approx more than 60 degree. Okay, and this is greater than greater than 90 degree, and approximately more than 120 degree. Okay, this is our roughly guess. Okay, this is not a I am not saying this by proper measurement. Okay, because in online mode only guess is possible, not a proper measurement is possible. Okay, so I hope you are very clear with this question number 8. Now I am going towards our question number 9, which is question number 9 is this one. Question number 9 is find the angle measure between the hands of the clock in each figure. Find the angle measure. Find the angle measure. Find the angle measure between. Find the angle measure between the hands of the clock. Between the hands of the clock. Between hands of the clock. Find the angle measure between the hands of the clock. Hands of the clock in each figure. In each figure. In each figure. Okay. What is there? This is our first. This is second. And that's third. Okay. 12, 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6. This is 7. Now 8, 9, 10, and this is 11. Okay. And here also, this is 12. This is 6. This is 3. This is 9. 1 and 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. This is 11. Okay. In this one, 12, 6, 3, 9. This is 1. This is 2. This is 4, 5. This is 7. This is 8, 10, 11. Okay. This type of condition is given over here. Find the angle measure between the hands of the clock in each figure. First one is this one, which is given right over here. Second one is this one, and third one is that. Okay. Time is given in this figure is 9 a.m. Actually, angle does not depend whether it is AM or PM. Angle will be the same for AM as well as for PM. Okay, this is 1 PM. This is 1 PM. And now this is 6 PM. Okay, this is what? This is 6 PM. 9 AM, 1 PM, this is 6 PM. Okay. So, find the angle measure between the hands of the clock in each figure. This is very clear that here our angle is of 90 degree. Okay. So, our answer is 90 degree for our first figure. No doubt this should be there. Okay. This is 1/4 revolution of a full clock. Okay, so this is the two hands in this position are making 90 degrees angle or an angle of 90. Good. Okay, here three parts are there. This is 30, this is 30, and this is 30. Then only it will make a 90. So this angle is of 30 degree. Okay, 30 degrees. So our answer is what? 30 degrees. In this position, okay, and in this position it is very clear that answer is 180 degree. Okay, angle is of 180 degree. So just make down. We will go towards our next part after you will make these figures. Okay. Now, our next one is what? Actually, that was our last question of that exercise. Okay, now we will go towards our exercise number next, which is our exercise number 5.5. Okay, so what is our exercise number 5.5? Exercise number 5. Now we are going towards our exercise number 5.5 and question number first. And what we are given, which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? Okay, exercise number 5.5 and our question number first is which of the following are models for perpendicular lines. Okay, which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? A is what? A is the adjacent edges of a tabletop. The adjacent edges the adjacent edges of a tabletop. Edges of a table top. The adjacent edges of a tabletop. Okay. B is what? Part B is the lines of a railway track. 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 Okay. The lines of a railway track. C is what? The line segments forming the letter capital L. The line segments. The line segments. The line segments. Okay, the line segments forming the letter capital L. The line segments forming the letter capital L. Forming the letter capital L. The letter B. The letter B. The letter B. चलिए भाई देखिए अब ये तुम्हें स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट द एडजेसेंट एजेस ऑफ अ टेबल टॉप ओके व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर मॉडल्स ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस द एडजेसेंट एजेस ऑफ अ टेबल टॉप इज दिस वन एंड वी आर talking about the adjacent edges okay so this edge is and these two edges are adjacent edges and this is perfect 90 degree okay so these two are what perpendicular so which of the following so this point is actually this question I will repeat in your next video and here I am just only talking about what is perpendicular these two lines which are adjacent angles of the top of the table and here angle is 90 degree so we will say that this is a perfect situation for what for our adjacent angles to be to make perpendicular angle okay or what is asked perpendicular lines okay this position is perfect position for our perpendicular lines okay and in this way we have to think about these all you have to just read and do it try it yourself okay and after that I will do it in our next video okay till then take care bye bye